I see so many people on YouTube, they became software developers. They have gotten to the point where they can do programming on a very admirable level, and they are self-taught. That was something I always wanted to do, and especially with the way how everything was last year and everyone kind of just locked up home, you have so much free time. It seems like an ideal time to pick up something new, and I can't wait to learn how to program. So my plan is literally to document the whole thing. At the moment, I don't know how to write a single line of code, and I plan to get to the point where I'll be able to do it for a living or just be really good at it. Other than my own kind of, oh, I always wanted to do it and I like it, I'm starting with nothing. And I want to document the entire process. So from this point, where I start learning by myself and towards wherever I get, everything will be a part of this channel, and I'll be posting regularly to show you my progress and the way how I'm doing it. Hopefully through a long period of time, there will be so much content that could possibly help anyone else who also wants to do the same thing. I've done my research and I have prepared what I think will be the best first steps when it comes to just the tutorials that are available on YouTube. So I'm gonna share that with you. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna start with and the ideas and my plans on what I think my first steps should be on this journey. So as of now, it's March 2021. My plan is to spend 6 months doing this just by myself, just extracting as much information and knowledge I can from YouTube tutorials. That's it. And from September, I'm gonna be starting computer science uni. Yes, I'm 28 years old now, and I have applied to start uni again. So at the moment, I have 3 different universities that I need to choose from, and I'm gonna show you that as well. So come along, let me show you my plan then. So at the moment, I have applied for 3 different universities to study computer science. All 3 of them have given me an offer, so at the moment I just need to choose which one I'm going to go with, and as of September I'm going to be a computer science student. So like I said, my plan 2021, I'm doing full-time work with the ambulance service. I'm going to be learning as much as I can just by myself from these tutorials, and I plan to document all of that. So anyone else who has a same desire to start learning how to program, maybe they can benefit from seeing how other people are doing it. And then from September, I'll be starting uni, and as a computer science student, I plan to also document how I'm going along, and basically for anyone who's interested, they'll be able to see exactly how that uni works and the way how I'll be studying. I will hopefully manage to put all of that into a kind of like a video journal of mine. So I'm really excited about this new journey of mine, and I hope you guys will tag along and see what it's like. This channel is completely new, so it will mean so much if you subscribe and just support the channel in any way, shape or form, because as you know, all beginnings are rough. So yeah, are you also interested to start learning how to code? Let me know, and hopefully we can help each other out. Have a look around the channel, and pretty soon I'll be posting more about my journey where I'm learning how to code, and I'll see you next time.